Hello and welcome back to our second week of learning. I have a wonderful, exciting, and fun song for us to do. So this is for my second graders and third graders. So make sure if you're a second grader or third grader that you're paying attention very closely because this is going to be right for your singing voice, okay? However, if you're any one of our students, of course you can go ahead and watch and have fun and go along with it as well, okay? So this is called One Little Elephant, okay? So when we do One Little Elephant, it's important for you to understand that this is a combination of moving and singing together. But this one is primarily going to be concentrating on just the singing part, okay? So when we're singing, we want to make sure that we're using that higher voice. Remember we talked about using that higher voice. And even though it might be a little bit of a strain, we want to make sure we're using it more and more because the more you use it, just like the more you use your muscles, the stronger it will get, okay? So listen to it go. One little elephant balancing. You try. One little elephant balancing. Okay, listen. Step by step on a piece of string. You try. Step by step on a piece of string. Listen again. He thought it such an amusing stunt. That's a lot of hard words. Listen to it again. He thought it such an amusing stunt. He thought it such an amusing stunt. You try. He thought it such an amusing stunt. Wait. That he called for another little elephant. That he called for another little elephant, okay? That he called for another little elephant. And we always end with this. Elephant, elephant, come along now. Okay? So when we sing that, going back and forth, make sure you take your turn first. I'm going to make them a little bit bigger. The phrase is a little bit bigger, so I'm not going to make little tiny snippets. So listen. One little elephant balancing, step by step on a piece of string. Try that much. One little elephant balancing, step by step on a piece of string. Okay, just that much. Listen to the next part, two parts together. He thought it such an amusing stunt that he called for another little elephant. Listen to it. He thought it such. He thought it such an amusing stunt that he called for another little elephant. That's a really hard part. Let's try it one more time together, nice and slow. He thought it such an amusing stunt that he called for another little elephant. And then we end with elephant, elephant, come along now. Try it. Ready? Elephant, elephant, come along now. Okay? And each time we have that part right there. Now, the nice thing about this one is it gives us that opportunity to kind of have a steady beat to move to. And what we would do is we would pretend, just like we were the elephant, we would walk like we're walking on a piece of string. So if you've ever seen a tightrope walker before, whenever they walk, it's just like if you were walking on like a curb or you were using some of the playground equipment, you would walk, you'd have your hands out, and you would be stepping like this. And then we walk just the same. So let's try it together while we sing. Ready? One little elephant balancing, step by step on a piece of string. They thought it such an amusing stunt that they called for another little elephant. Elephant, elephant, come along now. And whenever we get a chance to be together again, we would take that opportunity, we would have a string laid out on the floor that does twists and turns, and we would have one elephant, and then two elephants, and then three elephants, and we'd have a whole bunch of elephants. It's lots of fun, okay? I hope you enjoy this, and I hope it works out well for you and you enjoy singing the song. Have a great day.